Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text reveal edit on CapCut PC. So select a video of you walking from right to left or left to right, copy and paste that video, go to the video, go to remove background and select auto removal. Add in your text here, and I'm just going to type in the word reveal. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I don't know why I've been talking like this, so I'm sorry about that. Anyways, I'm just going to right click and create compound clip on this one. Then I'm just going to start like here, go to video, go to mask, and we're going to rotate it this way. Add a keyframe here first. And then, and then as he's walking, you're going to just start revealing the text by moving the line. Like so. Whoops. And that is it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I'm just gonna make sure this starts here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.